welcome back to my channel. Now it's been a while since I have purchased one of the Allure monthly beauty boxes, but the May box had some great things, so I decided to get it and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So grab your favorite beverage and let's open it up. Cheers! It's been a while, at least a few months, since I purchased one of these Allure monthly beauty boxes. Sometimes I just have too many products and I can't justify getting another one. And even though the value is always there, it also depends on kind of what the products are and if I'm going to use them, if I need them, if they speak to me. And one of the things I love about this Allure beauty subscription is you can skip as many times as you want to. You get a preview of the boxes before, so you can decide if you want to skip. And the best thing is shopping in the member store. Now in the member store, they have curated boxes, they have individual products at a discount, and they also have past month boxes. So maybe you decided to skip 2 months ago, but then you'll see it in the member store and all kinds of great things. I paid $25 for this box. I think the price has gone up to around $30, but these boxes usually contain several full-size items at a value of over $100, so still completely worth it. And let's open this one up. It's my box, kind of a little pamphlet telling me about each of the products inside, as well as trying to allure me to the kind of upcoming Reader's Choice Awards box. So we'll see if I get that one, or the Bloom and Brighten box for Mother's Day. Now that I've taken out the reading material, this is everything inside the box. First off, there's a Babor Ampule Concentrate. This is the Hydra Plus. I love these Babor ampules. These are concentrated skincare products in the form of a treatment. There's hydrating, there's retinol, there's ceramides, there's all different ones. I have plenty of them, and you just kind of break the top. They're a little glass ampule, and then it's nice that it comes with this little tool, because this tool helps make it easier to break unless you want to use kind of a washcloth. The interesting thing about this is when I did see the ad for this, I did think you were getting the full 7-day treatment. I didn't know they ever came in single use. So I was expecting the full 7-day, but since I already have a lot of these ampules, I'm okay with just the one, and always happy to get the hydration. Next, I have samples. So don't love seeing samples, but they're great to travel with, so always happy to try, especially shampoo and conditioner. You never want to bring a full-size bottle of shampoo and conditioner. And this is from Eva NYC. This is the H2O Whoa Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. So this kind of sample probably lasts me about 2 uses, just depends. Maybe even 3, so that's good for traveling. Also have a smaller size of the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. This is a hydrating sleep mask. I love this. I love how soft my skin feels after this. I would use this on a recovery night when I just want to give my skin a break and just have it wake up super soft and glowy. And I know that if my skin's kind of going through it because either I've done a lot or it's gotten a lot of sun, this is definitely a must for me. And once again, this is a nice travel size. Also have a Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. Now my hair does tend to be on the finer, flatter side, so something like this is great. Also love how cute this size is because, once again, travel friendly, which is great because I can't be bringing my root spray like this. And this is flexible formula that you're going to spray onto damp hair, concentrate at the roots, and you style as desired. Or you can use on dry hair for instant lift and shape. So nice little spray bottle of that. Okay, now from House Labs by Lady Gaga. I have a PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove what I have on my lips so I can swatch this. It does, just based on the thing, it looks like maybe like a mauve-y, maybe like a deeper nude. Just pretty. So it's going to be a hydrating lip glaze, hybrid lip glaze, hybrid, powered with peptide complex and prickly pear oil. Okay, great. I like the packaging. Let's see what this, oh, nice fat doe foot applicator. Let's see what it looks like on my hands first. So it is pretty sheer. Doesn't have much of a smell to it. I don't know when I hear mauve, but let's see. Very glossy. Goes on very smoothly. I really like that. Okay, that's really pretty. I didn't know what to expect based on the color in the bottle, but I really like how shiny that is. Not too sticky, goes on really nicely, and I just really love how glossy and sheer that is. Hydration from the prickly pear oil. Next, I have, so this is from Fenty Beauty. This is Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush. Now, usually in these boxes, you get to pick one color. They usually give you the chance to pick one color if the products have any kind of color choices. So this is one I got to pick the color, and I picked Lollipoppy. I do a lot of research before I pick my colors, but still I don't quite know what to expect because I'm really just looking at what it looks like on other people. She is bright. Okay, that is a very bright, oops, coral summer shade. Let's see what it looks like swatched. Wow, it's so pigmented that I accidentally, all I did was accidentally swipe my finger, and you can see it's completely pink. Okay, so very smooth. You can see why it's called suede now, and we're gonna go ahead and, so bright, so bright. I like this. I probably need a little shimmer with this. This is a matte blush, so I'll probably pair it with one of my more glowy products. But you can see lots of pigment, really smooth, blends out, and it's really kind of nice bright pink for the summer. Okay, and that was the product that I got to pick the color. So I am curious what the other colors are, but this is the Lollipoppy. And last but not least, from Aceology, I have a Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. In hindsight, I should have done this before I did the Lady Gaga lip gloss, lip oil, but I can at least look at it. So squeeze the lip scrub onto your finger, gentle circular motions for about 30 seconds. So if you have dry, cracked lips, this is something you can kind of do a mini lip treatment before you apply any conditioning agents or before you apply your lip gloss, so you just get a smoother overall finish. This is great as you kind of get into, I mean, generally in the winter months is when I notice my lips are the driest, but if you're someone that has dry, cracked lips all year round, this is going to be your best friend. So I'm excited to try, and plus I love passion fruit. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you got this May Allure box or any other boxes, and what some of your favorite products are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.